Make sure you watch the video to the end for a rewarding opportunity. So, you've probably heard about Rito, right? I mean, why else would you be here watching this video? But let me tell you something. Rito isn't just any ordinary cryptocurrency. It's the #1 meme coin on Telegram's network. And guess what? It's also the beloved mascot of Telegram itself. I won't get into why you should buy Rito because you're already looking it up. And for understanding its big potential, I'll let Crash handle that part. Check out his channel for more detailed analysis on the top meme coins out there. Link to his channel will be in the description. How to buy Rito. First, you should download the Tonkeeper wallet, which can be found in the App Store or Google Store. You could also just download it as an extension for your browser, but I've seen some people having issues with doing the process on the computer. Once you have your wallet set up, it should look something like this. You can do the easy part with just buying Ton funds through credit card or Apple/Google Pay through any of these exchanges, and you will get your funds sent to your wallet momentarily. Once you have your Ton funds, I simply just click swap, and then you click select and choose redo and click swap. It's really that simple this way. How to bridge. Okay, let's say that you don't have any money on your bank account, but what you do have is some Ethereum, Solana or BNB, etc. And you want to swap some of these for some Ton. Well, then you're in luck, because you can simply just bridge some of those tokens that you're already holding for some Ton. Then you might ask, but how do you do this, Mike? Let me tell you. You simply head over to app.rocketx.exchange, link will also be in the description. And then you have all the different networks to choose from on the left hand side and the different wallets on the network on the right hand side. For this example, I'll be choosing Solana on the left hand side, and then I'll go with Phantom Wallet on the right hand side. Once I'm connected, I'll choose Solana network and swap Solana. And to which network I'll swap to, I'll be choosing Ton network and swap to Ton. Then I simply just enter the amount of Solana I want to swap, and then I click confirm. This process takes roughly 5 minutes estimated, which it says right here. Don't worry, they will get there, it just takes a little time. Once they've gotten your Solana or which currency you swap with, they start making the transaction, and then they will send you your Ton. While we wait for the transaction, you might as well subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any other useful videos, and like this video if I managed to help you out. And boom! Now you have your Ton tokens in your Tonkeeper wallet. Then once you have your Ton, you simply just follow the same process as before. Simply click swap and then choose Ton to swap with, and then choose redo to swap to, and simply click confirm. This transaction is way faster, and then boom, now you have your Rito. I hope that this video helped you out. If you're sitting with any kind of questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me in the comments. If I did help you out, I would appreciate it if you still left me a comment. Don't worry, I will reply to all comments. I'm incredibly grateful for the support and kind words I've received so far. And as a token of my appreciation, I'm excited to announce a giveaway. 2 lucky winners will receive 35 Rito tokens each, regardless of the current price at the moment. Just watch the video through, like, subscribe and comment Resistance Talk below to enter. Winners will be announced on May 10th. Good luck. Thanks.